In this last video of this fairly quick unit, we're going to take a look at removing duplicates in our table. As your worksheet begins to grow, and you might have thousands and thousands of records in here, you might get some duplicate information. You don't want duplicate information. You want to get rid of the same information so it's not taking up space, taking up resources. So here I have a range of numbers. It's not in a table. I wanted to start this from scratch. So I'm going to highlight the columns, go all the way across, Control-Shift-Down arrow, that selects all of them. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, Control-T, to create a table. I'm going to leave it as the default formatting style. And so here we have the table. As you can see, I've got some repeat information, right? Richard, Robert, Thomas. It was basically copied and pasted. So I have some more rows in this worksheet. I want to remove the duplicates. And like everything else, once you know how to do this in the table, it's really super simple, which is why we use tables. I'm going to select any cell in the table. I'm going to make sure I'm at Table Tools, Design. I am then going to go over here where we had that Convert to Range button. We did that at the very beginning-ish of this unit. And above that is Remove Duplicates. I'm going to click on that. It has selected my entire table by default. I have headers. I'm going to leave that checked. And when I click OK, it's going to scan this entire table, and it's going to remove duplicate information. As you saw, half of it went away, or more than half of it went away. 92 duplicate values found and removed. There were only 23 unique values that were there originally, and those remain. And it is that simple to remove duplicate information. That, ladies and gentlemen, is going to conclude Unit 6. You are well past the halfway point. You're almost done with this course, which is very, very, very cool. Be sure you're doing the hands-on. Be sure you're doing the practices. If you have not scheduled your Microsoft Office Specialist exam, you might want to do so now. You're not that far from being done. Until our next video, until our next unit, have fun studying out there, and goodbye for now.